Victoria, me, and Jeremiah, that champion. Today we're gonna build up a shelter and make a camp in the back of the woods over here. So we already have our roof, this old antenna board we're gonna use to make the roof. Jeremiah is back there trying to grab something to make the campfire, because we have to start making a campfire to keep the mosquitoes away from us.
I got a plan with this. So I put a leaf in here, and we're gonna put a little fire in here. It's gonna fire like a candle, and we're gonna put it somewhere.
Nice. What about you, Victoria? What is your plan?
What's your plan?
We gotta get sticks and not throw out.
Okay, you gotta grab these sticks.
And we gotta leave these two up.
Yeah, this is gonna be our roof. Be careful, guys. Forks, break.
They're gonna do the best job ever.
We're gonna record this for about 30 minutes. Keep the mosquitoes away. And then we're gonna build our shelter. Stay with us.
Guys, protect by the blood.
Very good. There we go. It's a heavy, we have smoke. Yeah, put it inside. Come over here, Jeremiah, help us. The fire is just to keep the mosquitoes away from us. Grab more dry material.
Okay.
Yeah, pick it up, put on the fire. Yeah, put over here, put on the fire. That's not dry material. I'm looking for dry material. Like this. This is dry, look. Yeah, put over here. We gotta make this fire spread and keep the mosquitoes away so we can work on our shelter. Like this, sticks. Dry sticks like this. Good. Should make the fire big. Don't throw, Jeremiah, the fire's not. Dry material. There we go, it's coming up. Good, Victoria. Good, Jeremiah. Let's go grab more. See, this is dry material, look.
Hey Dad, that is good.
Alright, let's wait for the fire to spread out now. Good, let's wait for the fire to spread out a little bit. Let's make sure that we're gonna have a good pile.
Keep all the leaves away from it.
Yeah. See, we gotta make sure that we're gonna have a pile over here. Make the fire go up. Oh, it's getting big, look. Now we have no mosquitoes. That was the plan, to not have mosquitoes.
Nice job.
We made the fire to not have mosquitoes up here. Fire's coming up good. You guys can keep searching for more dry material. Small ones.
They're doing very
like this.
good.
Sticks. Small sticks. And put over here, look.
If you didn't hear me, I said Victoria right there. That's.
Let's start work on the ground now, Jeremiah.
So just to let you know, I'm normally gonna be about the one that talks about how good they do, and that's mostly about what I do. And they're just gonna record and I make sure the video's doing good and stuff like that. I mean, I do a lot of talking to you guys. Tell them how good they're doing tell them how good a subscriber you are. So that's about me. In some parts of the video I'll begin.
How's the fire? It's getting big.
Camera can only see it.
Put over there. Put over there.
Okay, guys, I just want to show you look how big that fire is getting. Look at it.
Yeah. So we have no mosquitoes, right? We have no mosquitoes yet. I gotta make smaller.
Ow. I'm in the fire. Let me do that, sir.
Thank you, girl. Dory's a big helper. She likes to make camper. No, don't throw. Don't throw. Look, you mess with the water.
I'm normally there. I was just telling them that I'm normally the one that talks about how good they're doing and talks about how good you are of a subscriber.
Yeah, good. Let's work on our project. Good job, help Dory. Alright, let's now keep your eyes on the
That's
fire.
Why don't you light the candle?
Not yet.
You gotta light it.
Okay, make sure the fire's gonna keep going. We're doing the clean out part now.
Dad,
Clean
I
out the
need
shelter.
I need you to light
Oh, this is not gonna get fire for sure. Mosquitoes still here?
But pull that down.
I'm burning hand. Push down here, look. Look, push down here, look. Look at me. Push down here and hold it. Careful, do not burn yourself, boy. Come back to work. Help me. On me, boy. Help me now.
That didn't work. But I gotta make sure I get this on film. Dad doing this. Dad, pull it all down. I can't see anything you're doing.
That's alright, that's alright. Keep the way that it is. We need hands over here now. Good, Victoria. Good hustle.
There's the fire. There.
It is now. On. We back working.
So that was just the first video.
Now it's one beat. Hold on. Now let's push this away. Clean it up back there. Oh, there's a lot of dry material there. Hey, be careful to not. Hey, and it just moved. You gotta be careful about snakes. Yeah, they like to hide on those dry areas. Step back, guys. Step back. Okay, don't touch that. If you touch, it's gonna fall off of you. Now let's do this. Look, this is very dry. Good for the fire. Hold on. Don't touch it. That's when you touch it. I'm afraid you're gonna have snakes or maybe spiders.
Cockroach. I just saw some cockroach.
Yeah, keep your eyes on the snakes. What? Oh, spider? There's a big spider there. You see that?
Yeah.
Here we go. Look, Jeremiah. Look how big this spider is.
Okay, show the viewers.
Check it out, guys. Found a spider. See it? We're gonna save her. We're gonna put her some other weight.
Guys, that was the best. So I'm gonna be listening now. And I'm telling you, I do not like spiders.
Oh my God. That one.
Oh, what is that? Oh, that was a big one, huh? This is there.
I was not saying anything. I was just telling you them.
Hey, Jeremiah, you not gonna help us?
I said I'm normally gonna talk and I'm gonna help that Tim part. I'm normally the talking person.
Watch out, Gail, be careful. Yeah, I'll go grab it. Hold on, let me just make
Thank
sure
you,
the
guys.
flow is gonna be good.
Now that is how you light a fire. You need to get every single other piece of wood.
Alright, now it's time to move the
And
second
just slowly. What that?
time to move the second half of the antenna.
And it's slowly getting burned.
I need you guys to check for snakes. Ready?
Yeah. What?
Not a single one yet.
Not a
Just-
snake
guys,
yet?
do you see all the smoke? I gotta go take the camera so you can see that smoke.
Now we-
Oh, bro! It looks like someone fire got on.
You think the second
Oh,
half
house
of the
fire.
antenna,
Bro, you can't even walk
To make-
through here or else you'll start coughing.
the roof on our shelter.
Okay, we're gonna go through it.
And now it's time, Jeremiah, to break this way here. We have smoke, but we don't have mosquitoes. Just blow in, look.
Sorry guys, but it's getting worse. I'm still working on the other ways. Okay.
You might need more dry stuff
Ugh.
like this. Make the fire bigger.
Oh, everywhere I'm walking. Look, come on, make that fire.
There we go.
Shut up, man.
We need smoke to keep mosquitoes away.
I have to go this way. Oh, no.
Look for snakes down there, boys. Look, this dry material is very good for the fire. See? Good, put over there, Dorian. Well done, good job, Carol. Now we rake.
Oh my gosh. I ain't going on that side. And now it's sleeping time. What we get is flowing on correct.
More dry stuff, look. More dry stuff. Blow, blow. It's coming good now.
You're failing most of the time. Watch out, Sarah. Got a big Tommy.
I got a mushroom. I got a mushroom.
We're gonna start looking for the palms. Oh, I just found palms.
Oh, mushroom? Mushroom?
Ah, it's a big palm to put in. Put the palm in there.
Hey, be careful, the fire's gonna be large. Be wider, be careful to not burn yourself.
And
Watch out, guys.
I got a mushroom.
Oh, and she. Yeah, the tree got a mushroom.
And I got gold and fire.
Oh, look how big the fire is good now.
Okay, guys. Can you just imagine if you were in there right now? Yeah, that would be bad.
Oh, you want to show the mushroom?
Got another palm.
Okay, let's go there. Oh, nice fire, Jeremiah. Nice work.
Oh, I found a big palm.
Victoria found a tiny mushroom. Show the camera. See? She's happy. Gotta be careful to not make too big, because if you make the fire too big, we can set fires on those areas and then this whole area can burn. Gotta be very cautious. Go slowly, step by step. Victoria, grab the water, girl.
That's good, Dad.
Grab the water, Jeremiah.
Dad, now it's good.
Yeah, no, not yet. The project is over. We finished the shelter. As we said on video part 2. That was a big job by Jeremiah and Victoria. Finally, they are inside the shelter that we just built up. How you guys feeling inside?
Good.
Cozy? Look, Victoria. She brought the horses. Victoria, are you happy inside?
Yep.
Look at here. You happy?
Okay, and
Stay there.
And nothing.
he didn't make it that time. You guys want to see the fire?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Can you see?
Okay.
So, how you like the video?
Good. Ah. Hey, Maya.
Wood. Yeah. Oh, she's falling. Pew. No, you.
Yeah.
Victory! Victory! Okay, he's putting it on.
Maybe 4.
Okay.
It fit! Ta-da!
Ta-da.
So we have the grill. Let me just make sure it's gonna be level.
He's doing it, guys.
There we go. It's very stable.
Yes, very stable.
Now we dropped it. Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Jeremiah found this cage.
This is what
which
I-
could be a table, right?
Yes, that is what I found. I found a cage right there that Dad has.
We're gonna use it as a table.
A table, yes, a table.
Clean it up here a little bit.
I got that up here.
No, not the food yet. You want to wait for that.
Okay.
And let's switch this around this way.
I think I had the right way.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna grab the food, Victoria.
And today, if you didn't know, today's Thanksgiving turkey day.
Yeah, today's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving for you all.
Yeah, all.
This is the Brazilian pancakes.
Yeah, we're making them. They're not done
So-
yet.
We're gonna fry. But the ingredients are flour,
Flour, butter,
eggs,
eggs, and butter.
Ever.
milk,
Milk and butter.
No, ever.
and sugar. So
Let me see if you guys can see this.
I'm gonna, yeah, come close, come close. I am going to put the butter. Right, it's
Yeah,
look
that's
like
a
that
little
my
pan there.
grill. It's not very level. I gotta level a little bit. Gotta level a little bit.
It's
It's not hot. It's not hot yet.
Stuff. There.
Let me level a little bit. This guy over here has to go down. This has to go down. This has to go down. Now let's put it back.
That guy goes down.
So it's much better, right? It's level.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna put the pan over here. I'm gonna try a way that there's no much smoke. Let it warm it up. Let it warm it up. Let's put the butter. See the butter? You have the butter.
Can we put it on?
Yeah, slowly. Slowly to not drop the pan and the grill. Just tip over here is gonna melt. Oh, I mean it's hot. Guys blocking the camera.
Oh, you gotta get out of the way. Blocking the
You guys
camera.
should stay here on the side.
Let's see here on the side.
Okay, so now we wait to the butter spread out.
Wait, my died.
Pan hot. Guys, hot.
Yeah.
I'm feeling hot.
And me.
Fine.
It's not sure. So we gotta go.
Yeah.
Hey, Mario.
Am I gonna have to level this a little bit? Not very
Just
level.
put it in there. I think you can see it.
I'm gonna have to use this stick
What?
to level
Why not?
up a little bit. Like that.
Dad, there's an ant on the camera.
Blow it, blow it. There we go.
There.
I think it's a little bit level now.
There, now we got it.
And we got
There.
that.
Down a little bit here.
What?
What are the sticks for?
To level the.
Told you we're professionals.
Because I want the pancake to be flat. There we go. It's
I
level.
never knew it would take this long to make
It's level. It looks like it's hot.
but actually not.
Not very hot. You gotta wait a little bit to be hot. Guys, stay there with us.
Dad, can you put us? Dad, can you cut us some blankets?
We don't have blankets here because my cutter's not in the shed. There we go. So wait for the pan to be very hot. Let me show them what's gonna become pancakes.
He's showing you guys.
Here you go.
That is what's gonna be pancakes.
I want to do
The
it.
ingredients are flour, 2 eggs,
Can I mix?
I can make
2 eggs, sugar, milk.
Dad, can I have a lick?
Yeah,
What does it taste like?
here you go, Victor.
I know what to do it.
It tastes like pancakes.
It is pancakes.
I know, but it tastes like them.
Pour it down a little bit.
And guess what? These are not just pancakes, guys. These are other pancakes. No
And
pancakes.
here you go.
Brazilian pancakes.
You wait.
Wait.
Grab me a
I
second
can
spoon.
wait.
Long one.
I can wait.
Yeah, you can sit here, Gail. Sit here. Sit.
No, I can wait.
Now sit down. Sit down. Hold on. Now it's just about time.
Dad,
Mm,
I thought they would.
it's butter.
I like butter.
Like it? Jeremiah went to grab a second spoon where he can flip the pancake. My job for now is
Dad,
just make
I
sure.
gotta go. Dad, I gotta go.
Wait for Jeremiah. He's coming.
House. I gotta go up the house.
bring it?
I got you 3 types.
This one is good. This one is good. Children, what do you have to eat?
Okay. We have to flip the pancakes with a spoon. I'm not sure if you can see it, but with a spoon.
Why?
Why? And these are the other 2. Where did Troy go?
She went at the house, grabbed something according to her.
Which way did she go?
We don't have enough heat under the pan. It might gonna take a little longer than we thought. Let me see how it's look like under. So if I can flip it. Ooh, it's coming good, brother boy. I think the leaves bring smoke. The sticks helps to not bring smokes. Now this is too green. Can't put this there. That should be yellow. And I have my bucket. My seat. This is my bucket. Sit down. I think we have enough, brother boy. Just wait. We have enough. Now this is gonna bring smoke. Smoke's not good for the bacon. So we need a good setup over here with the shelter. One day we're gonna bring the tent and spend the night. Today we decided to come over. It's kind of cold day, Thanksgiving Day. Me and Jeremiah and Victoria decided to come over, do some kind of cookout, and see if it's gonna work. Hopefully I have the ingredients on the right time. Alright, I think it's time to flip because I see frying now. Makes me believe that the thing is so hot and I like you. There we go.
Oh! He just made the best pancake!
Check it out. We're getting there. We have butter to put over. We have the spoons.
I'm gonna go get Tria.
Hey, bring one more plate. Small plate.
Wait, we need 3 small plates.
No, I have 2 over here. I have one for the butter, one extra. You bring one more. I think you're right.
Where are they?
Bring 2 more plates. Mama know where they are. I made the pancake with coconut flour. But a good flour, it's the yucca flour. So yucca flour, 2 eggs, and milk, a little bit of sugar. That's the ingredient. It's very simple. It's a breakfast. It's tasty. It's yummy. Get this fire going. Now it's time to take it out, make a new one. Oh, look yummy, look. Kids gonna love it. Put butter on it, and eat it. I'm gonna wait to cool off.